Fasting could be the most powerful health intervention you never knew about, or the most dangerous mistake you could make after 60. The difference comes down to understanding what's happening inside your body right now. Today, I'm revealing the transformation that occurs during extended fasting and the critical factors that determine whether it heals you or harms you. My name is Andrew, and I'm the host of the Senior Health Report. As a senior myself, I share your desire to stay strong, clear minded, and independent for as long as possible. This channel exists to separate health truths from myths and dangerous trends that were never designed for aging bodies. Extended fasting has become popular because it promises rapid healing and cellular renewal. Many younger adults report increased focus, fat loss, and metabolic improvements. However, what works at 30 does not always work at 60 or 70, and that difference matters more than most people realize. Before we discuss risks, we need to understand what happens inside your body when you stop eating. Within 12 to 18 hours, your stored glucose begins to run out. At that point, the liver starts converting fat into ketones, which become fuel for the brain, heart, and muscles. By the second or third day, ketone levels rise significantly. Many people notice that hunger decreases rather than increases. This appetite suppression is often praised, but for seniors, it hides an important problem that rarely gets discussed. Research involving adults aged 65 to 74 shows that during extended fasting, the body burns fat and lean tissue at the same time. In one 5-day fast, participants lost over 4 kilograms on average. Alarmingly, nearly 60% of that weight came from lean body mass, including muscle. This matters because age-related muscle loss, known as sarcopenia, is already accelerating after 60. Muscle is not just about appearance. It supports balance, blood sugar control, and injury prevention. When muscle is lost too quickly, it can be extremely difficult to rebuild. Here is the part many seniors are never told. Older adults do not respond to protein intake as efficiently as younger people. That means muscle loss during extended fasting is often replaced slowly or incompletely, increasing the risk of falls and long-term weakness. Now let us talk about blood pressure and heart health. Extended fasting often causes blood pressure to drop, sometimes dramatically. While that may sound beneficial, it can be dangerous for seniors taking medications. Studies have shown systolic blood pressure dropping by more than 30 points during prolonged fasts. For someone on blood pressure or heart medication, this can lead to dizziness, fainting, or dangerous electrolyte shifts. These are not minor side effects. They can be medical emergencies. Another hidden risk is dehydration. During fasting, the body releases stored water along with essential minerals such as sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Seniors are especially vulnerable because thirst signals weaken with age and kidney efficiency declines. Low sodium levels are surprisingly common in older adults. Symptoms can include confusion, weakness, irregular heartbeat, and fatigue. During extended fasting, the risk of these imbalances increases sharply unless hydration and electrolytes are carefully managed. You may have heard about autophagy, the cellular cleanup process activated during fasting. This process helps recycle damaged components and may reduce inflammation. While autophagy is real and beneficial, it does not come without trade-offs for aging bodies. This is why context matters. Health strategies must be adjusted for your current stage of life, not copied from younger influencers online. That philosophy is the foundation of my educational work and my structured program for seniors. I created a 12-module, 48-video course called Regain Your Health and Vitality Even After 60. It is designed to help seniors improve energy, stabilize blood sugar, and protect muscle without extreme measures. If you are curious, there is a link in the description where you can learn more. Now let us clearly outline who should never attempt a 5-day fast. Anyone taking diabetes medication risks dangerously low blood sugar. Those on diuretics or heart medications face life-threatening electrolyte imbalances. People with kidney disease, a history of eating disorders, or low body weight should avoid extended fasting entirely. These warnings are not opinions. They are based on clinical evidence. Ignoring them can have permanent consequences. So what is the safer alternative? Research shows that time-restricted eating, where meals are consumed within an 8 to 12-hour window, offers many metabolic benefits. This approach reduces risk while still supporting glucose control and cellular health. This video is not to discourage you from fasting. It is just a caution to be aware of the problems that may occur. Fasting and autophagy are wonderful tools if they are done with awareness and knowledge of your situation and health. The most important takeaway is this: your body at 60 or 70 is not broken, but it is different than it was at 40. Respecting those differences allows you to heal, strengthen, and thrive without unnecessary danger. If you have found this information valuable, please leave a comment below. Your engagement helps this channel reach more seniors who need reliable health guidance. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss future reports. If you are ready to take the next step, I strongly recommend my full program, Regain Your Health and Vitality Even After 60. It provides a clear, safe roadmap built specifically for aging bodies, and the link is waiting for you in the description. Finally, I encourage you to watch the video in the upper right portion of your screen. It explains how seniors across the country are rebuilding strength, increasing energy, and protecting their independence. It may be the most important video you watch this year.